Alright, let's talk about why AI stocks are still stealing the spotlight for investors everywhere. If you're like me, you've probably noticed the headlines haven't let up. AI is everywhere. But here's the thing, it's not just hype. The numbers back it up. Let's break it down. In 2023 alone, the global AI market was valued at nearly $150 billion. Analysts, they're projecting it to triple by 2027. That's an annual growth rate of over 35%. And when it comes to stocks, the big names, Nvidia, Microsoft, Alphabet, they're leading the charge. Here's a stat that grabbed my attention. Nvidia's stock more than tripled in value last year, all thanks to AI chips powering everything from ChatGPT to your phone's camera filters. Microsoft saw a 60% gain, fueled by their massive investment in OpenAI. Alphabet? Up nearly 50%, riding the wave with Google's AI integration across search and cloud. But it's not just the tech giants. Smaller players are getting attention too. Palantir, for example, shot up over 100% in 2023 as more companies scrambled for AI-driven data analysis. Even chipmakers like AMD posted incredible gains because everyone wants a piece of the AI hardware pie. Now let's talk about why retail investors, people like you and me, are so tuned in. The numbers show that AI-focused ETFs saw record inflows, with over $15 billion poured in just the first half of this year. That means more everyday investors are betting on AI's staying power. And according to a recent survey by Bank of America, nearly 70% of investors ranked AI as their top growth sector for the next decade. But here's what I always remind myself, high growth means high expectations. Valuations for these stocks are soaring, sometimes way above historical averages. Nvidia, for example, is trading at almost 40 times forward earnings. That's massive compared to the broader S&P 500's average of about 20. So while the upside is huge, the risks are just as real if earnings don't keep up with the hype. Still, it's hard to ignore the momentum. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's changing the way companies operate, from automating tasks to optimizing supply chains. And with more industries jumping on board, the market is only getting bigger. So if you're thinking about investing in AI stocks, keep your eyes on the data, and remember, the trend is your friend, but don't forget to do your homework. That's what I'm doing, watching the numbers, reading the reports, and trying to understand where the real opportunities are. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more data-driven investing insights.